I'm about to do the scientific breakthrough Prolon fasting mimicking diet. The benefits are amazing. That one's my favorite. Why? Because I'm a cell. Prolon is just 5 days, and it's the only fast where you get to eat real plant-based food. Maybe that's why 95% of first-timers finish the program. You eat, but your body thinks it's fasting. Best of all, Prolon food tastes great. On day 1, you get 2 nutrition bars, 2 soups, crackers, olives, teas, and supplements. And you even eat a chocolate crisp bar. Oh, I love these. Just give me a second. On day 2, you eat all of this. On day 3, you eat this. On day 4, this. And on your last day, day 5, all of this. The food out here is what fuels the magic that happens on the inside. On day 1, your body goes into a fasting state, and you start burning fat. Burn, baby, burn! Then, fat burning ramps up, and your body starts breaking that fat down into an alternative fuel source called ketones. Today is when your cells, like me, start cleaning themselves. We use our old, worn-out parts for fuel. Hello, I like what I see. Today's the day your awesome cell rejuvenation and renewal process kick in. Let's do this. You have more energy and better focus. Prolon, the smarter way to fast. And hey, I should know.